All right, Todd's back yesterday. I mean, just gorgeous day, right? I opened up every window in the house. Just a bunch of my kids have had colds, trying to air it out, get the germs out, whatever.
Yeah.
Every, couple minutes, door slams.
I know.
I go,
It's so
okay, go up. I put a little blocker in the door. Yeah. Door slams again. Like, the wind was so strong it blew my door holder away, and the door still were slamming all across the house.
My problem with our door is Aries likes to go out on our, Aries is my cat, likes to go out on our screened-in porch and follow all the chipmunks and plot how she's going to get them, and she never can because she's an indoor cat. But we have to close that door gets slammed shut when the wind does the same thing, and she gets stuck out there, and all you hear is like every once in a while, meow,
like,
meow,
excuse me,
meow,
hi,
meow.
jump back in there
She
real
wants
quick.
to come back in, right? And then she'll be in for 30 seconds and wants to go back out. So there's that problem too. But
Anyway, it was windy.
yes, moral of our stories.
It was windy.
It was windy, and it's going to be windy again today. But a different direction, more out of the northwest, tapping the cold. And look what's going on. Our temperatures have dropped almost 30 degrees since our highs yesterday, which were in the 70s, setting records. Felt so good. Not anymore. We have temps that are in the 30s and 40s with gusty winds out of the northwest, already blowing to 43 miles an hour in Greenville. And that creates wind chills that are in the 30s, and they're pretty much going to stay there all day long. So it's time to go find that coat again and use it. You're going to need it. High pressure is building in with this air, though, so we are going to have wall-to-wall sunshine. So that'll offset the chill a little bit, but still, this is going to be the coldest air mass we've seen this season. Clear, cold out there this morning. You need the jacket again. Wind starts getting busy. By the middle of the day, it is howling, very gusty, which will add a chill to the air and also blow a lot of those leaves around. And if there's any like dirt or sand on the sides of the roads, that's going to get kicked up too and blow in your face. It's going to be pretty annoying. We will, though, have deep blue sky. Afternoon and evening, really no change. Clear, cold, and dry. The wind stays very busy, though, through the evening and then finally dies off overnight tonight, which sets the stage for the coldest morning of the season. Tomorrow morning, we will all be in the mid-20s. Hard freeze going on tomorrow morning. There you go, northwest winds blowing to 30 miles per hour with some higher gusts. The mountains will gust to about 40 miles per hour today, and there could be some isolated outages because of it. Here are your temps reaching 45 to about 50 from north to south. Portland's 50 and Bangor 47. This cold continues to be replaced by another mild air mass. So tomorrow's chilly, but then it gets a little warmer here for Thursday and for Friday. And then we've got to watch some tropical moisture. Nicole, which is off the Florida coastline right now, is likely to become a strong tropical storm or a hurricane as it makes landfall in Florida sometime late tomorrow night. The remnants will then come up the coastline, and it looks like they'll come right through the northeast with some wind and rain for Friday night into Saturday morning. And then we should dry out Saturday afternoon, and we'll await the next blast of cold air, which will arrive on Sunday and last into early next week. The rain amounts continue to point at a sizable rain event, and there could be 1, maybe 2 inches of some heavy rain here Friday night into Saturday morning. So once again, we'll have to watch for some temporary flooding concerns and flooding issues on the streets and some of those smaller streams and creeks and brooks. So we'll watch that late in the week. For the meantime, it's all about the cold and the wind, and gale warnings are up because of the wind, gusting to 35 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet. So here's the 7-day. Sunny today and tomorrow, but a lot colder than what we're used to. High temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. On Thursday, those temps turn around, which is nice. We get up to 60, nice and bright, mostly sunny. Friday, clouds are increasing, low to mid-60s. And then by the evening hours, we're probably watching some rain move in. It'll rain heavily Friday night through Saturday morning. We'll clear out Saturday afternoon, briefly mild, and then a lot colder again by the end of the weekend, and especially early next week. That's not a typo there. That Monday high looks like it'll be in the low to mid 40s right now.
All righty.
Signs of the change in seasons. Finally getting them.
You can't complain. I mean, we have
I'm
been
not.
on borrowed time for quite a while now, so we will take what we get. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.